do it. It's fine. Taking a shower in the rain. That's how much rain is pouring down right now. Taylen, just sit up like normal. Taylen, you didn't even wash your hair that well.
Yes, I did.
Close your eyes.
It's not coming down hard enough.
Just go stand in the rain then.
Somebody go give me a bucket of water.
No, just Taylen, just keep doing it. Just go take a run in the rain.
Taylen, gutter. Where? I'm not gonna put my head down there.
Why? No, go right down. Just stay right there. It's coming down enough. Let's look at the gutter. Holy cow. Taylen. What?
It's cold.
You're fine.
Get the back.
Oh, Taylen. Go put your hands in the water over there. And then just go like you would in the sink. Oh. If Dad asks you if you showered today, you say yep. Now you gotta wash up your shirt.
Inside of you?
It's called the hobo shower. This is like all the hobos' dream right now. So they can get clean. Look at the front of your shirt, Taylen. Keep your shirt on. This is going
On Facebook?
Yeah, most likely.
Is it all out of my hair?
What?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's all out. Okay, we're done.
Don't worry.